those images of all the people stuck in their cars remind me of what it was like in the blizzard of '78, which was just one of the massive storms New England has had.
Yeah, and actually a good reminder of how far forecasting has come. I don't know if you remember, the blizzard of '78 was supposed to be like 5 or 6 inches.
Yeah, many times over.
Yeah, it didn't quite work out that way. Luckily, that doesn't happen up here too often. Usually people are prepared. The story for us was the cold this morning. 6 in Wiscasset and Rockland, 3 in Bar Harbor. Coldest temperature they've had so far this season. 9 below in Berlin, 4 below in Freiburg. And the winter, depending on how you look at it, 13 below in Caribou early this morning. By that measure, we've recovered quite a bit, especially along the coast, into the low and mid 20s. And this cold snap was going to be short-lived from the beginning because now temperatures are moderating. Tonight won't be nearly as cold, and tomorrow actually will be above average for most of the state. Sunshine along the coast, clouds now starting to encroach into the mountains, foothills, and just about to move into Bangor here. So we'll see kind of decreasing amounts of sun as the day goes on. The sun setting around 4:15, so some of us along the coast will get most of the day in before clouds come in. They do come in overnight tonight with partly cloudy skies. Temperatures, again, not warm, but a whole lot warmer than they were last evening, in the 20s along the coastline, teens probably into the mountains by early tomorrow morning. And we generally start warming up on south-southwesterly flow here, and we get into some showers by mid to late morning. There'll be rain showers right from the onset along the coast. There will be some snow showers inland, briefly some light snow northwest of Lewiston and Freiburg there through the middle of the day. There could be a ½ inch to up to an inch of snow, just kind of in this narrow zone right here back into New Hampshire. But along the coast, we start to warm up even more, and we get all the way into Bangor with temperatures in the 40s through the afternoon, and we could briefly flash to 50 in Wiscasset, Rockland, and Bar Harbor, and Bangor getting around 42, 43. A couple of downpours here to end this tomorrow night, and then we're in good shape on Thursday. Thursday is a quiet day, not a whole lot going on. All right, our next storm system we have to watch is still on for Friday. Now, as of last night, the GFS model jumped on board the European model that there will be a low very close to us on Friday. So here's the detail that we have to work out. This low position right here is, I would say, about 50 to 75 miles farther east than you'd want for a big snowstorm. So we have to wait to see, probably this afternoon, the models will do a good job. Where exactly is this low going to be pinned? If we're here, it's a big storm. If it stays out here, there'll still be snow on Friday, but I don't think it will be as heavy, and it will be more towards the coast than it will be inland into the mountains where they would like to see that snow. So Friday's still on. I'm just trying to figure out the exact details of it. That's what gets tricky. I was hoping to put out a snowfall map today, maybe. We'll see what the models do this afternoon. Hopefully they do something a little bit more convincing with that storm. Quiet before we get there, cold on the backside on Saturday, a couple of flakes, maybe even a dusting to an inch on Sunday afternoon, then frigid blast on Monday. Definitely wintry overall here. And Pat, you know my theory on this. If we're going to do the storm on Friday, let's do the storm, for real.
I think a lot of people agree, and none of this mixed bag stuff. That doesn't make anyone happy.
It does look like it would be snow. A couple inches is kind of boring, so we'll see what we get out of it.
Thanks, Keith.